The Northrop Grumman X-47B is a demonstration unmanned combat aerial vehicle, UCAV, designed for aircraft carrier-based operations. Developed by the American defense technology company Northrop Grumman, the X-47 project began as part of DARPA's JUCAS program and subsequently became part of the United States Navy's Unmanned Combat Air System Demonstration, UCASD, program. The X-47B is a tailless jet-powered blended wing-body aircraft capable of semi-autonomous operation and aerial refueling. The X-47B first flew in 2011, and as of 2015, its two active demonstrators have undergone extensive flight and operational integration testing, having successfully performed a series of land and carrier-based demonstrations. In August 2014, the U.S. Navy announced that it had integrated the X-47B into carrier operations alongside manned aircraft. And by May 2015, the primary test program was declared complete. The X-47B demonstrators themselves were intended to become museum exhibits after completing flight testing, but the Navy later decided to maintain them in flying condition pending further development. General characteristics: crew, none aboard, semi-autonomous operation. Length, 38 feet 2 inches, 11.63 meters. Wingspan, 62.1 feet, 18.9 meters, extended, 30.9 feet, 9.4 meters, folded. Height, 10 feet 5 inches, 3.10 meters. Wing area, 953.6 square 6,350 kilograms. Max takeoff weight, 44,567 pounds, 20,215 kilograms. Power plant, 1 times Pratt & Whitney F100-220U turbofan. Performance. Range, 2,400 miles, 3,900 kilometers, 2,100 nmi. Service ceiling, 42,000 feet, 12,800 meters. Cruise speed, Mach 0.9 plus, high subsonic. Armament. 2 weapon bays, providing for up to 4,500 pounds, 2,000 kilograms, of ordnance. Avionics. Provisions for EO/IR/SAR/ISAR/GMTI/MMTI/ESM.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell for more up-to-date news.